So your next question might be, what is a good knot? Well, a good knot generally is easy to tie and has many different applications. It also is generally easy to untie. In some cases, there are knots that you would use where they're not easy to untie, and that's the point for permanent bindings. But for the most part, you want a knot that's really easy to tie, easy to use. You can use for many different things in many different contexts, and you can just get a lot of mileage out of. A lot of the knots we're going to talk about are also knots that you use in tying other knots, like the half hitch or the overhand. So anyway, good knots, easy to tie, easy to untie, easy to use, easy to maintain and control and keep track of and stay organized.